So Yellow Friday is our flagship event. This year it's running from 23rd of November to 29th of November. It's probably the most exciting time for Noon and Noon employees and most importantly for our sellers and for our customers. It's a time where we bring tons of traffic to the site. We really paint the cities yellow that we're present in. And it gives SMEs access to all these amazing customers who come to our site and shop during this time. The last couple of years, we've seen incredible sales rates, so businesses can take full advantage of the traffic coming on the site. So we see things like double the conversion rate. Last year, we saw like 5 times new customers come to the site. So it's a very exciting time. So COVID was, a very unfortunate time for a lot of us. And unfortunately, people were forced to stay in their homes and didn't have an option but to shop online. For e-commerce companies and companies online, is we probably gained a lot more customers who would come online who wouldn't have ever. So example, my own parents were never online shoppers. We were all forced to shop online. And so this helped us acquire customers that we probably wouldn't have acquired before. And there's definitely been a base shift for a lot of e-commerce companies and, growth acceleration there. COVID is unfortunately still around us. And I would say Yellow Friday is also a concept around the world. So it's that season of sales where there'll be sales happening in the malls, across other sites, etc. So just with the social distancing measures, people can have the advantage of shopping from the comfort of their home. So that's very, very important. And Noon's aim is to just deliver their orders safely. We saw a big shift of the at-home categories. We had people buy daily essentials, sports equipment. To react to that, Noon also launched 2 new companies. So one we launched within Noon Daily, which is our grocery service. We also launched our own on-demand platform called Now. It's a separate app and it basically gives customers the ability to shop from their local neighborhood and they can get their items within minutes. So these 2 were kind of the initiatives that Noon took during COVID. A lot of malls, etc., would close their doors. So we brought the Dubai Mall online on Noon as well. So we had a bunch of brands come online who hadn't been online before through the Dubai Mall, and we set that up in a matter of weeks, sort of to just be able to address this issue of people not being able to go out during the pandemic. Noon has, very historically been known for other categories, and I don't think grocery was a focus. With COVID, grocery became the front and center. We had to, even for ourselves as customers, we all realized that we needed to get our essentials every day without, going out or trying to take permits to go out to the grocery store, etc. So Noon Daily helped solve that problem. Any grocery plans that we had was accelerated immediately. As soon as the lockdown was announced, we knew we had to be there front and center, and we were. In terms of reactions to it, it's been incredible, to be honest. Noon Daily is something I work on personally quite closely, and the reaction to Noon Daily and to something that is so new, I think it's exceeded, for me, for sure, exceeded all our expectations. COVID has shifted customer behavior. So, a lot of people feel I have to go to the grocery store to touch my fruits and vegetables. I can't order that stuff online. COVID forced people to do that, including myself. So now we've just become more used to it. So for Noon Daily, I can order all my groceries up until midnight and it comes to my doorstep by the morning. So that's a very, very efficient and easy way. And for Now came a little bit after Noon Daily, and it's a separate app. And what Now does, it's an on-demand platform. So what does that mean? We basically help customers order from different stores around their neighborhood. So you can order from the 7-Eleven downstairs, you can order from Spinneys down the street, and we can give you items within 40 minutes. Everyone and anyone is probably trying to be online now because they see the importance. For us to gain competitive advantage, and what we sort of stick to a few very basic principles, I would say, as Noon. And one of the basic principles, I guess, would be to just be visible and front and center. And when I say that, I mean, for example, for Yellow Friday, using all different marketing channels, whether it's online or offline, making sure we're, in the customer's face and that they know about us. I think that's really important. And with that comes along a bunch of USPs, which differentiate us from competition. So whether this means we, for example, we've launched our own loyalty service called Noon VIP, or partnering with different banks such as Mashreq, and offering our customers very competitive pricing, deals, offers. That's the way we see ourselves, as like offering this competitive advantage. I also think like a very key point over here is the trust aspect. Customers order on Noon and they trust us to deliver that item. And continuing that and keeping that trust to our customers, especially during a peak time during Yellow Friday, is really important to build. One of our main focuses, obviously, right now, we are in Saudi and UAE and Egypt. Focusing on these three countries is very, very, very important to us. And I think for us as a company, the priority is really about focusing on these three countries and ensuring our customers in these countries get the top service. And within these countries, expanding different categories within Noon. So whether that be our beauty stack or whether that be our baby stack, it's very, very important that we become the destination of choice for someone shopping beauty or for a mother shopping for her baby. And that's kind of our goal right now as a company, to become a destination for these categories within these countries and be the trusted place where customers can come. I think that's the most important thing right now. SMEs contribute to more than 90% of the economy over here in the UAE. So I think, supporting SMEs is like our front and center goal. For SMEs to go online, there's just a range of things that they have to think about. So whether it's technology, whether it's logistics, whether it's customer service, whether it's marketing to get a lot of traffic. A marketplace such as Noon helps SMEs get those things very easily and very, very fast. And I think for SMEs, being part of a marketplace, you get access to these like hundreds of thousands of customers every day. And that's what Noon provides to these SMEs. For us as Noon, and like our own goals, we really see ourselves as a local e-commerce company. We launched an initiative also called Mahalli. Like, it's very, very, very important for us to support these local businesses. And it's one of our top priorities at Noon. The future of retail for me, and to be honest, it has been for me for a while personally, is just an omni-channel setup where you need both offline and online. What I think has changed with COVID is with people seeing that this is something that's possible, where we have to be in our houses maybe. I think what it's done is it's allowed people to see the efficiency of online, and it's allowed people to see how much time you can save, and it's also allowed people to see how you can trust an online partner, which maybe wasn't the case before. So while I think the omni-channel space will still exist, and I think it will always need to exist, for me personally, I need to go to the mall and I also shop online. It's not that I only shop online. I think what's important over here is that every retailer now knows that online presence is super key. It can't just be only offline presence. Having both is very, very important in the world we're in right now.